a few places where you can earn passive income. These are new, and they're calling this Welcome to DeFi 3.0. So the original DeFi was like staking in pools, liquidity pools, or one asset staking, in DeFi platforms like ApeSwap or Uniswap or SushiSwap or different swaps and dexes you could find staking in different projects. And then last year they were calling it like 2.0, which was the DAOs and the Tomb Forks, the Tomb Finance, and the Olympus Forks, which were all the DAOs, which I think the Tomb Forks are really great, and I recommend those. They're pretty successful in generating passive income. The DAOs are a little bit questionable only because their price, their volatility is extreme. I mean, there's a few of them that actually went to zero. So it's like I was actually invested in one, and they did start back up, so I got lucky. But yeah, those are the what they were calling DeFi 2.0. Now this is DeFi 3.0, and these are like you get reflections like you see here. So every time somebody buys or sells, that's what happened in 2.0, the DAOs, when a whale, somebody that holds like a big portion of the value or the money invested, they pull it out, all of a sudden half the money goes out and the value of the coin goes down. And it's like you could have like two coins worth 600, and now if it goes half, now your only thing is only 300. So instead of you making money, you're losing money. So this one is like if people buy or sell, those fees go to the people that are invested in here. So I just wanted, here's one, it's called cross-chain farming, and you can look at the light paper here and see all the things involved here. This is farming. You buy it on pancake swap. They're coins, so if you click on here, it'll pancake swap. You should be able to find their coin. You'll have to click here and hit import, so it'll go to your wallet, and then whatever you have, you can say if I do this, if you have cake, which is pancake, but most people are going to have BNB because it's on the Binance Smart Chain, and you buy that either on binance.us or binance.com, and you send it over to your MetaMask. If you're in the US, I sent it over to the Binance wallet and then to the MetaMask. I'm not going to be reviewing all that. You can look online for videos if you need to get caught up. I recommend a gentleman, his name is the Crypto Dad. He has a lot of great tutorials on how to do the mask, the MetaMask and the wallets. He'll do the step-by-step tutorials if you need help with that. But yeah, you would just pick your, whatever amount you had, say you had one, and then you'll get this much. You connect your wallet, it'll come up, and you'll say you'll approve it, confirm it, and you'll buy it, and then it'll show up in your wallet. And then you'll come back here and you'll go into the dashboard. Let's see if I can go in there without connecting. And you'll go to my wallet. You'll have to connect your wallet. Once you do, you'll see here, once you connect it, you'll see whatever your coin is worth and whatever you're earning here. So that's one. It's called cross-chain farming. And I think they're gonna try to be on different chains. That's the goal. But currently they're on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's one thing that you can do. You don't really have to stake or do anything. You just buy it and you connect your wallet and it just starts earning. And then there's also this one that these are the ones that I have tried that seem to be generating some income. I didn't put a lot in because I just wanted to try it out. See, we invest in multiple chains. This coin is called the SCC, which is, I guess it stands for Scary Capital Chain. You can buy it on Spooky Swap or Spirit Swap, and it's similar to Pancake. You do have to do your slippage to 12%. So if you were going to go to Spooky Swap, sometimes I like Spirit Swap, but then sometimes it doesn't have everything. So yeah, it didn't it didn't pull up that. Let's see, does it pull up? Maybe it already has it on here. SCC, yeah, it's here. That's cool because it's not. They're not always on there. So there, and I think some of these are actually audited, which is impressive because some of the 2.0 things were not audited. So this is the Phantom Network, which is a lot of like scary themed stuff. Kind of reminds you of Halloween and stuff like that, or scary stuff. So this is the native token, which is a nice token to hold too if you want to do that. And it's not that expensive, and it's probably going up in value. What they mean by this, if you've never done this, when you have your Phantom, and then you swap it out for this. Say you have one, let me see if it's going to let me do this. If I have 10 Phantom, you're going to get this much in SCC. You connect your wallet. I do MetaMask, so if you have other ones, it's probably similar. Connect your wallet, approve it, and then you can add this token to your wallet if you need to. After you approve it and you do the transaction, you should be able to click on the transaction. It'll take you to the blockchain where you can find the contract for the SCC. And you'll have to copy that contract and add it to your wallet. Again, if you don't know how to do that, I recommend the Crypto Dad. He really actually does everything for you, step by step. I don't do that due to security reasons, but also the person but other people do. They don't have a problem doing that. I'm kind of just giving you information. Some people, tell you about the markets. Some people tell you about crypto news. Some people tell you about platforms. That's kind of what I do, and different things to invest in. And then some people actually do the tutorial hand on hand. I do a little bit of it here, but if you need more, if you really don't understand anything and you actually need step by step, you have to look at more hands-on tutorials. Like I said, I recommend the Crypto Dad, and also the place that so you would do that, and then you would go back here, go to the dashboard after you've set your slippage to 12, because those fees will go to whoever's invested here, and you'll connect your wallet and you'll see your balance here. Okay, and you'll see the reflections is like your rewards, how whatever's growing. So that's how that works. And the person that I got this financial information from, which was another YouTuber, and I get my stuff online from different people and just researching and doing my own things. See if this comes up. Okay, there you go. So this is kind of like what he had. He had a list. I don't know exactly where he got his list. A lot of times people share these things in the community. See, these are passive income protocols, DeFi 3.0, and this was updated on January 3rd, 2022. And he, on his video, which is FFF, which is Financial Freedom Forever, I believe his new YouTube channel name is. You might want to look him up. He has a lot of good things on trying to make money online with investing. He even does like bots, trading bots, and DeFi, and all kinds of great stuff. And his channel has grown a lot. He recommended these. So I tried the cross-chain farming, which is the one that I showed you, which is on Binance Smart Chain and the Scary Chain Capital. But you can go ahead and look at all of these, or he recommended these to look at. Because of these charts, he said their market cap was higher and they don't have that room to grow. So basically, if you get in early and the coin is only worth, let's say it's worth 1 cent, and has room to grow to 20 cents, you 20x your money, you 20 times your money. But if these already kind of have already grown a lot, then they'll only grow a little bit. So you really won't double your money. So that's why they say get in early before the coin explodes. Once it's already at an all-time high, it kind of goes at a slower pace, and you can earn money, but it depends. It depends on what you're looking for, I guess. But if you want to kind of like buy it low and sell high, and you get something that has room to grow, they were saying look at these. And also, they recommend looking at their social media online, seeing if they have followers, seeing if those followers seem like bots or like real people. Are the admin, helpful, or are they just like not around? Reading their white paper, seeing their tokenomics, seeing if the economic part of the platform seems worth your while. And also you get to learn about it. So I just recommend these, and I wanted to share them with you. And I just wanted to say that I am trying 2 of them, and they do seem to be working. So, but the coin of the price does go up and down like everything in the market, but it doesn't seem that unstable like the Dows. So, but I do like the Dows, um, especially if the price can stay pretty stable. That Dow is better. And also, if they haven't dropped too much, and if they do drop, are they able to recover? And usually with the Dows, you really have to put in a little bit, quite a bit, to actually see something happening. Because if you put in a small amount, then if it goes down, it almost like wipes you out. So I don't know. But anyway, this is what I'm recommending for DeFi 3.0. Thanks a lot. And if you want more of this content, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you like this. Thank you, and have a good day.